So you guys just heard about credible sources and how to find them. So I'm going to give you just the basics in this video about, what to click, where to go, how to copy paste, stuff like that. Our goal is to find 3 sources. And you don't have to use just these 3 sources, but to get started, we're going to find 3. And I just want to tell you quickly what a source is. A source is an article. So it's a chunk of words, sentences, paragraphs about your topic that was originally published probably in a newspaper, a magazine, or a government website. And it's now in this database. So we're going to use the databases unless you do a credible source test for each source. So let's just take a quick look at the databases together. So the very first one in the notes document is points of view. And so to get to this one, you click the link there. It's linked in the notes document. And it also is going to make you log in again. So it'll take you to this page and you'll be like, what do I do? Don't worry. Log in again. Okay? Then it takes you to this list. And what we're looking for is points of view. It's the 4th one down. It's got these faces looking at each other. Click the blue words. They'll turn black, and then it'll take you to points of view database. This really is the best one, in my opinion. It's full of great information. So what you'd want to do is type your topic here. Sometimes it'll pop up before you're even done typing, so you can watch for that. There's mine popped up, and I can search that way. The first thing you're going to want to look for is if there's an overview. All right, so here's an overview. These are great articles. They're great sources full of all kinds of information. So if you can find an overview and points of view, that's a great starting place. And a reminder that what we have to do now to get the link is to find the permalink. And if you look over here on the side, you're going to scroll down until you see permalink. Okay, think permanent, right? This is a link that will forever work. So this is what we want. And so here it is. Here it came up. And so we can copy that, hit Control C. Sometimes there's like a word copy you can click to. I'm not seeing that right now. And then we're going to go back to the notes assignment, and we're going to paste it here. Okay? Control V is paste, and it doesn't look like it's a link. And that's just because we have to hit enter. So hit enter, and then it becomes a live link. So now we have our first link. All right, so let's go back to points of view. Points of view, you could find all your sources from points of view if you wanted, or just one, or, it's up to you. But if I go, if I search my topic, I'm going to find multiple articles. This counterpoint, I think, is inside the overview, so I don't think I need that. Same with the point. Here's one about animal rights. So that's a little bit different than animal experimentation, but maybe that one would be helpful to me. So anyway, these are great overview topics, or great overview articles. Let's take a look at the second one, which is procon.org. So for procon.org, this one's easier to access, and it's going to take us here. This is through Britannica, and so we can search for our topic. There's also these other ways to search, but I'm just going to type in my topic, and once again, stuff pops up that might help me out here. Animal testing. It's probably a good one. All right, and so what do I find? Mexico bans cosmetics animal testing. State by state cosmetics animal testing ban. Animal Testing Charity Golf Tournament. I probably don't need that. And so, you know, do some clicking around in here. This one is kind of their overview, animal testing pros and cons. And for this one, we just click this link here, and that should be good. So I can copy and go back to my notes document and paste it as my second source. Hit enter so it's a live link. All right. Now, once again, you don't have to get one from each database. That's just what I've been doing here. So it's up to you where you want to get these from. I just want to show you how each database works. The last database is SIRS, and SIRS is going to require you to log in. I think it did earlier when I tried. Okay, so if it ever does this, try logging in with Ardale. Let's see, hopefully that will work. Yeah, and so here I can then search for my topic. And it's got 3,000 results. So that's an awful lot of results. But I can read through some of these and see if they sound like something I might want to look at. And I can also filter, sort, and filter. All right. So when I go to this source, if I want to link it, let's see, what is the best way to link? Maybe if I go to site, let's take a look at this. Yeah, here we go. So I'm just going to copy that link. Oh, there's the copy button I was thinking about earlier. It was in SIRS. And then I go back to my, notes, and I got too many tabs. I go back to my notes and I paste it here. Okay, now I have my 3 sources. And then what you could do for 5.2 is to just copy your 3 sources. So I could just highlight my 3 sources and copy. And then I go into 5.2 mastery check. And this is where I put the URLs. Okay, and then make sure to type your topic in. And then you can submit. All right, thanks.